hire, all I look for, like in a teacher, is, hey, are they a native speaker? And I look real quick through their resume to see, do they have some skill or some ability or something that I don't have? I don't want to know everything about you. I'm looking for very specific things. So because of this, it is super important to make your resume easy to read and understand. Formatting might be more important than the actual information in your resume, right? I will tell you, in my personal experience, I have gotten resumes from people who include all of their experience. It's like 6 pages. I never look past page 1, until the job interview. I do not look at pages 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't care, right? I'm not looking at that stuff, right? So formatting is like super important for your resume. All right, very important. What I recommend you guys do is you have one resume, I call it the master resume, that you have on your computer. And on this master resume, you just list everything, right? So master resume should list every single position you ever worked in. Your master resume, every good thing you did at each job should be on your master resume. Your master resume should have everything about you. And then when you apply for a job, you just think about, what does this person want to know? You copy your master resume and you edit it. You just delete stuff. I'll talk about this. I think you should have a master resume. Swan, on your master resume, you should have both addresses. When you apply for a job, just list the address that they would like more. That's it. A lot of times, here, I think you guys are too, Thailand, Burma, gender, age, marital status, religion. Again, do not include that in a resume for America, the UK, or anything like that, because again, you open them up to accusations of discrimination. Make sure your contact information is correct. It's obvious. I think about 20% of the resumes I get, when I go and I call them up to schedule an interview, the phone number doesn't work. At the job interview, people can ask you for more information about stuff. The resume is not going to get you the job. The resume does not need to tell me everything about you. Just all you need to do with the resume is make me interested in you, so I call you up for an interview. Then you can tell me everything. All right.